I ran 14 blind tests between GPT-5 and Claude 4. One model didn't just win, it embarrassed the other. Here's the thing. Everyone's benchmarking these models wrong. They run synthetic tests, academic puzzles, stuff nobody actually does in real work. So I built 14 real tasks, 7 coding jobs, 7 writing jobs. Then I stripped the model names. Blind. No labels. No hints. Just raw output. And honestly, the results shocked me. Claude 4 won 11 of 14 coding tasks. Think about that. 11. It handled complex debugging like it had read the entire code base. GPT-5 felt lazy, like it was guessing. But here's what's wild. Flip to writing tasks. GPT-5 dominated. Better tone, sharper hooks, more natural rhythm. Claude 4 sounded stiff, almost robotic. Actually, scratch that, it was robotic. The real winner isn't one model. It's knowing which tool fits the job. Coding bug. Claude 4. No question. Need a blog post that actually sounds human. GPT-5. Every single time. And that's where most people fail. They pick one model. They defend it like a sports team. Blind loyalty. Meanwhile, smart developers are quietly using both and shipping 3 times faster. I tested this myself. Built a full app using Claude 4 for logic and GPT-5 for copy. Worked perfectly. Why did the AI cross the keyboard? To get to the other syntax. Yeah, I'll see myself out. Look, these models change monthly. So subscribe, because next week I'm testing whichever new model drops. You won't want to miss those numbers. Comment below with your pick.